In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise Business. First, log into your Wise Business account and click Send Money from the main dashboard. Next, enter the amount you want to send and choose the currency you want to send and the currency your recipient will receive. Wise will automatically show the exchange rate and any applicable fees before you continue. After that, click Continue and select whether you're sending money to a business or an individual. Now enter the recipient's details, including their name and bank account information. Make sure all the information is entered correctly to avoid delays. Once you've added the recipient, review the transfer details, including the amount, exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time. If everything looks correct, click Confirm and choose how you want to pay for the transfer. Depending on your location, you may be able to pay using your Wise balance, a bank transfer, or another available payment method. After the payment is submitted, Wise will process the transfer and provide updates on its status. You can track the transfer directly from your Wise Business dashboard until the money reaches the recipient. Finally, check the transfer history section anytime to view completed, pending, or past payments. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send money from Wise Business. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.